let's make this crochet ring. To make this ring, I'm using this sheep chest yarn. I will need the hook. I'm using 1.75 mm, some needles, scissor, and a bead. This one is 6 mm in silver color. You can use any bead of your choices, plastic ones. So let's begin the tutorial. To start off, I will be making 16 double crochet just for the center. Here I'll make 16 double crochet first. I begin with making 4 chains, and these 4 chains are going to be my first double crochet, and the first chain I use for making the circle. And inside this first chain I will be making 15 double crochets. So all together with the first 3 chains there will be 16 double crochets. 3, 4, 5, and 16. I will join on top of the first 3 chain with the slip stitch and begin with the next row. To begin the next row, I'm going to make 4 chains, and I will make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Here we did the first one. This was the where we made the slip stitch and first double crochet and 1 chain, so that's 4 chains. So in the next chain I'm making 1 double crochet, chain 1 into the next stitch, make double crochet, chain 1 into the next stitch, make double crochet, and chain 1. I'll repeat the pattern until the end. Now after making 16 double crochet, I will join, I'll make 1 chain and join on top of the first 3 chain. We will leave 1 chain because that is the chain space. So top of the 3rd chain I will do a slip stitch. Now to begin, I'll just do 1 chain. Now inside every gap where we created the chain space, we will do 1 single crochet, chain 3, then another single crochet inside the same space. To make these, you can see the picot stitch on the ends, on the edging, then single crochet inside the next one, chain 3, and then again the single crochet inside the same chain space. We'll carry on until the end on the other side, and I'll see you at the end of the row. Now here I am at the end of the row, and I am going to do the last single crochet inside the last chain space, and after that I will do a slip stitch on top of this double crochet. And cut the yarn. It's ready. Now I will make the ring area which goes on the finger. To do that, I will be making 5 chains, and in every chain after the first chain, I'll leave the first chain, I'll make 4 single crochet. I'll miss the first chain. The first row is a bit tricky because the thread is too thin for me. People even do micro crochet and I wonder how they do it. So here is the first row. Can't even see it. Now I'll carry on making single crochet into each stitch. There will be four single crochets each row. For a couple of rows and measure it with the finger. If it fits around the finger, then we will just stop there. I can't see the I even do the single crochet inside the first chain as well, so that way the work will stay straight. I don't like just using the chains stitch for the first stitch, so it's better to do single crochet inside the first chain. Like this. So carry on until it is suitable length which can go around the finger, and I'll see you at the end. Here up to this length, if I wrap it around the finger, it fits perfectly because it stretches as well, so that's fine. This width is fine. And if I measure it, it's about 5 centimeters. There. So once we get it here, I will be doing single crochet join, sorry, slip stitch join, like that. After joining it up, I got these 2 threads, so I'm going to do the knots with them before cutting them off. Now where we made the joint, on top of that joint we will be attaching this part. First, let's hide this yarn. The middle thread which we started our work with, and we had left some thread. I told you that I will use it at the end, so I am going to put the bead through this thread. Once this bead is on, so after I use this thread and the bead is on there, so it's coming out from this side, so I'll go down from the other side, so bead comes in the middle. Yes, bead is here. Now I will attach this ring base or the finger area in the middle. Now you can burn off the extra thread. Don't need to do the blocking, you can just pull the chains a bit to give it a shape. Like that. And this one looks slightly turned in. So there, here is our next